Model, 64-plate Vauxhall Combo L1 Diesel 2000 1.3 CDTI 16-valve H1 Sportive van body, white, panel van mileage, 164159 MOT, 7 November 2023 engine, 1248 cc 1.3D transmission, 5-speed manual, front-wheel drive mechanical summary, runs fine, turbo needs replacing as it is totally seized, not spinning, engine clutch and gearbox are perfect. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean, well looked after van, straightforward simple bolt-on turbo repair grin features, 2 former keepers, part service history, electric windows, 2 keys EU status, Euro 5 HPI, clear cap retail, £3,150. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 0740111